What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set the S Pen press and hold pen button to navigate to home, back or recents in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on S Pen and then click on air actions. Now first of all, turn on this air actions button, and after that scroll down and click on press and hold pen button. Now from here you can set the S Pen press and hold button to navigate to home screen, back or recent screen. So just simply press on action. So if you want to set the S Pen press and hold to go back to your home screen, then from here select home and now press and hold your S Pen button and it will take you to the home screen. So that's how you can set the S Pen press and hold pen button to navigate to home, back or recents in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.